What week are you in?
18, almost 19.
Yeah?
Yep.
Out of how many?
40.
Almost there. Halfway.
No, I'm almost halfway.
So what's going on with your body right now?
My lower back always kind of slightly hurts. I get wicked headaches that only a Coke can help. Body doesn't want to agree with food all the time. Don't have the same amount of energy as I used to have. Can't go to the gym and do other things. I also feel very fat.
And you're more beautiful than ever.
That's what you say.
It's true.
Now, I'm a pretty committed vegan, but I respect whatever Liz's body tells her it needs during her pregnancy. So if she wants to eat a mayonnaise and tofu sandwich, that's fine with me. And if she says she wants egg salad on a bagel, who am I to judge? I'm not the one growing a baby inside of me. But maybe there's a vegan way to do it. Let's find out. Normally we would just get a recipe online and make it for the first time on camera. But now that I'm going to be a dad, I really have to step up my game. So I tested a bunch of recipes and I found out what Liz liked and didn't like about each one. And I think we landed on something that is both very tasty and easy to make. Here's everything you need, just 4 ingredients. Medium firm tofu, vegan mayo, mustard, and this special salt. I'll get to that in a bit. We're gonna add a few more things because we have them, and you can add whatever you want. But as long as you've got the main 4 ingredients, you can make a vegan egg salad. First, you gotta drain your tofu and give it a quick rinse. Slice it into slabs that are about a 1/2 inch thick. Now this is very important. You have to press the water out of the tofu so it will absorb the flavor of the sauce. I use kitchen towels to do this. Lay one towel down on the counter and then use another to wrap up the tofu. Now take something hard and flat, a cutting board works great, and put some heavy stuff on top of that. Set that aside for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to make the mayo mix. Any kind of vegan mayo will do. Liz likes Hellmann's, a lot of it. We like yellow mustard for this, but you could do Dijon if you want to get fancy with it. Now this right here is the key ingredient, black salt, aka kala namak. It smells and tastes like eggs. Kinda crazy. If you taste it after putting the salt in, you might feel it's too salty. That's gonna mellow out after you mix everything together and it spends some time in the fridge, but if you're not sure, just try less salt to start. Juice from half a lemon for a little zing. A green onion for a bit of crunch. The part of the green onion I don't use, I add to a bag in the freezer, and when this fills up, we cook it down in a veggie stock. Little tip for you. And then a healthy sprinkle of turmeric. This is just for color, it doesn't taste like much, so don't worry about the measurement. Now mix it up real good. And be sure that it's making a lot of disgusting sounds while you're doing it. It's time to check on our tofu. Look at all that water that seeped out.
Ooh.
Hang the towel to dry and reuse it later. It's just tofu water. Break the tofu up into egg salad sized chunks. Then mix it all together. Again, if it doesn't sound absolutely disgusting, you're not doing it right. You can eat this right away, but if you put it in the fridge for a little bit and let it marinate, it'll taste even better.
Yeah, it's really tasty.
Good. I think you got too much bagel going on there.
What?
You should do it open-faced. Like
No.
moi.
It's all about me and what I'm craving. And this is how I eat my bagels.
Right, so does it satisfy your mayonnaise craving?
Mm-hmm.
Does it satisfy the eggy craving?
Yeah.
Do you think that you could live with this instead of egg salad?
Probably.
Mm-hmm. Do you think you could fool somebody into thinking this was egg salad?
If they didn't see it,
If they didn't see it,
maybe.
but the taste and the texture is there?
Well, see, because with egg salad, you have the egg whites and you have the egg yolks.
What is this closer to?
The egg whites.
It's very good. My only issue with the Hellmann's is that it has natural flavoring in it. But this is all about you. I couldn't tell if Liz actually liked it. She's probably just tired. So when my cousin and his family were in town for the weekend, I took the opportunity to get a second opinion.
That's very good.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it.
No, it's really, really, really good. So it's a tofu instead of a hard-boiled egg.
Yeah.
Is that the ticket?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just the right firmness tofu.
Yeah, we could turn it up a little notch with a little bit more crunch.
Yeah.
With a celery or a pickle, but I think it's got such a nice flavor with the salt. I wouldn't want.
Yeah,
I don't want
Yeah, I don't really like celery, so I had Duncan exclude it from any of the recipes just because. But yeah.
As far as a base, this is a super great thing.
Yeah.
Try it. It's really good. No, you could take like an actual.
I'm having a little texture moment.
Right? Can you take a bigger bite now, or it's got scallions? The tofu is a medium firmness. Yeah, take.
It's like a
bite.
cottage cheese egg salad. The
No, but-
texture is cottage cheesy. No?
No, that's because you just took the smallest bite. This medium firmness tofu is a dead ringer for a very nice hard-boiled egg.
The basic tastes interesting.
Yeah.
That's really good.
I know, right? It's
Yeah.
turmeric, some special black salt from India, which has a high sulfur count, which is where you get the egg flavor.
Hi, Jack.
And the crunch is from the scallions only. Yeah,
Yeah.
That's really good.
right?
Let's go to
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Dad.
What?
I'd buy that. Egg salad. This is a perfect bite.
I can tell Dad is like
It's like
he's
Temple of the
upset
Doom
with
ritual.
No, I'm disappointed that you all of a sudden are hard to
disappointed.
get.
It's just food. You're always disappointed.
Well, wait. You're reluctant not because it's tofu, right? But because it's egg
No,
salad.
She
it's
doesn't
just
like
because
egg
of
salad
egg.
or
I
She
don't
doesn't
like
like egg
any-
salad. She doesn't like tofu.
Yeah. All right. We got a lot going against it here.
It's gonna go fine. I hope.
Full bite. Full bite. Full bite. You gotta go all in. That's a small one. Yeah.
No.
Have some mushroom tea. Have some mushroom
What?
That's $10.
Your face. She had tears in her eyes.
Fight 1 of 10.
It happened.
Oh, you're screwing.
Wow, my perception totally changes when we get out of our little vegan bubble in here. I'm like, Liz, this is gonna be
This is
great.
actually kind of good.
Hey.
Hey, really?
Whoa, Emma.
What?
I'm not gonna have another bite, but
But it wasn't a horrible first reaction that you first had.
Wow. You're not crying.
no, I wasn't crying. I was crying because I was gagging.
I know.
Yeah.
I think
It's
that's
really
more.
not bad.
Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll be back soon with a video answering the question, is our child going to be vegan? It's going to be a big blowout.
Dun dun dun.
Yep. So come prepared for some excitement.
And hate comments.
Love ya. Bye.